Right. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope everybody's having a great day. A little rainy this morning, but hopefully it'll start to clear up and you can have a nice day out. It's Friday. Everybody give me a whoop whoop because today is Friday. Today is Friday. Woo. All right. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. So today we're looking at line plots. So kind of the same thing we were doing yesterday, just in a little different form. Then make sure again that the top of your paper says 8 or 5, 8, 20. Okay. So here it says at the top, what is the length of the worm? Okay, we got this cute little worm and you have to decide how long is the worm, right? So I want to give you guys just a little reminder when it comes to counting these little tick marks, right? These little marks right here. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 marks from 0 to 1. Do we ever count 0? No, we don't. So I'm going to help you guys by labeling the little tick marks. So the first one is the first mark. Oh, it's not letting me write. The first mark, there we go, out of 1, right? Oh, that's not very good. I'm going to rewrite it, guys. Okay. Okay, so that first mark again is 1/4. Okay, the second mark, 2/4, or I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to let you figure it out. If you can't remember, let me know. Then the third mark, 3/4, right? And then of course the inch or the fourth mark is 4/4, which also equals a whole. So that's 1 inch, right? So you guys have to tell me, you have to circle A, B, C, or D and tell me where does the worm stop? What's the length of the worm? Okay, let's go on to the next one. Here, it says that you need to create a line plot with the pencil measurements below. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils here, right? And so you have to make a little mark, like a little X, like they do over here. You want to make it look like this. So just little X's for each length, okay? So, for example, I'm not going to tell you the answer, but the first one here, you're going to find out how long is the first pencil. Then you're going to put a little mark next to, okay, it's 1 inch, it's 2 inches, whatever it might be, okay? And then they're trying to trick you with these halves. Don't let them, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Okay. And then on the next one, it says Evan measures, oopsie-daisy. Uh-oh, there we go, okay. Evan measures 10 oak leaves with a ruler. He records the length as shown. For each oak leaf, plot an X. So just like I was showing you guys down here. So mark an X on the line plot to show the length. Okay, so for each length, you make an X, right? So here, I'm going to help you on this first one. We have 5.5, and we have 5.5 how many times? If you said 3 times, you're right. We've got 5.5 here, 5.5 here, and 5.5 here. So where on this number line are you going to put 5.5? I'm not going to tell you, but if you have any questions, again, let me know. Let your folks know. Okay? All right. Now let's look at the last one. The last one says the length of the caterpillars are shown in the table below. Circle the line plot that shows the data correctly. Okay, so you just have to circle, guys, whatever one is correct. Okay, so take the data that they give you here, check out this one here, this one here, and this one. So there's 4 4 line plots there that you guys need to check out to see which one matches this perfectly. Okay? All right, well, that's today's math lesson. So again, if you guys have any questions, please make sure that you contact me, that you have your folks contact me. I had 4 kiddos get on to Prodigy yesterday, which is woo-woo, that's awesome. I want to challenge you guys today. I know it's Friday, but I want you guys, let's see, 6. I want 6 kids to get on today. Also, you guys have your flip grids that are due today, and then your mystery science that's due today. Make sure that you turn that in when you're finished watching it. Okay, have a wonderful Friday, and I hope and I pray to see all of you on Monday, even if it's from a distance, so I can say my final goodbyes. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!